Let me go over some useful things when you're doing video editing, picture editing on your computer. One useful app to have available to you, don't even have to download it, it comes right with your Mac, is Activity Monitor. Just go to Spotlight over here, type in Activity, get this puppy to pop up. I like to keep her so I can see the processing that's going on. So you can go to the dock icon and show CPU usage. And then you'll always have this little bar down here that shows you how your CPUs are doing. I was just curious why it was running so slow, so I popped it open. Just wanted to make sure that whatever I was doing, I have Aperture open just because I'm working on something. I got Safari uploading to the internet. Just wanted to prove to myself that it was this Adobe project that was causing it to run so smooth, so slow. So I got one processor doing that, and I got one you can see making this movie right now. Okay, let's see how far we gotten. You can actually close this, and you'll still have that percentage. You'll still have that activity right there. Okay, other than Activity Monitor, there's some other useful apps. Let me just explain real quick. I was talking about the CPU usage in this column. This Activity Monitor also shows the RAM that's being used by all of your open programs in this column here, and that can be really useful also because sometimes you'll be slowing down because your processors are all used up. More likely you'll be slowed down because your RAM is getting all used up by some application that's being run. Good way to keep track of that is a application that I always leave up in my dock up here. It's called Free Memory. It shows me at all times how much free RAM I have. I don't ever really interface with it. I could go in here just to get some more information about the RAM. You can adjust some of the settings, tell it whether it should start when you log in, or more frequently you might want to hit this button, Free Memory. It's not that scary. Pretty much what it does is whatever application is running, it will leave that application running, and then any other application that's in the background, it will put it on a pause so that it won't use so much memory. You can notice that I have hundreds of RAM being taken up by making this movie, by Safari, just by having a Finder window open, because it has a lot of videos in it, and that it's ready to render at a drop of a hat. It takes up some RAM right there. Safari is your biggest culprit, your web browser, because of all the flash media that's being represented on the page at any given time. It's always good to close Safari down when you're getting ready to start. You can leave it's a separate tip, I would leave your Mac set up so that it displays these little blue dots next to any open application. You can just Command Tab, shifting through those open applications and using Command Q to close any applications that you don't need running at the moment. Okay. Another application that I like is Broom. Broom is really great because it'll just show me how much memory I have free. It does some clearing up caches and that kind of thing when I log in, and anytime I want to hit the Broom button. But instead of going through, it takes me like 3 clicks to get how much hard drive space I have. Especially with these new solid state drives, I'm watching it all the time. I can click up here and just check on it, and it'll give me an alert whenever I get to a certain point, and I can set that on my settings tab right there. So I want to give you another couple of tips on how to keep your computer running as efficiently as you can while you're editing video or processing pictures. Thanks.